Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. Right now, I'm going to talk about a word, and the word is against. Against. The spelling of the word is Against. Against. It's not against. কিছু লোক এটাকে against বলে, but the pronunciation is against. The meaning of this word is বিরুদ্ধে. Okay, here are some sentences using this word. There were 20 votes for her and 12 against her. She was leaning against the wall. We shall fight against the enemy. He loved the feel of her soft hair against his skin. We were vaccinated against 5 different illnesses before we went to Egypt. She was forced to marry against her will. What's the rate of exchange against the dollar? So right now I'm going to drill 2 sentences. We shall fight against the enemy. 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 আমরা শত্রুদের বিরুদ্ধে লড়াই করব বা যুদ্ধ করব। She was forced to marry against her will. 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 তাকে তার ইচ্ছার বিরুদ্ধে বিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছিল. Thank you very much.